Hi, my name is Julian and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can buy land on Earth 2, which has been out for a year now, a bit over a year. I personally invested in it last year and I have done very well on Earth 2. But the reason why I want to make this video is because of course the Metaverse is popular right now, but I also want to make the video because they have just updated and made some big updates, and they've also had some announcements that are going to be coming up. They have an announcement that just happened today, and I'll share with you what happened there in a moment. So I want to share with you that Earth 2 has actually created like a tier system. So all the tiles that haven't sold on Earth 2 have just been reset back to 0.10 cents, and they've also been tier 2 tiles now. So if you purchased Earth 2 tiles before the changeover, before this update, you would have tier 1 tiles, which I have tier 1. So as they say here, the price is starting at 0.10 cents. So you can buy land on a Metaverse on Earth 2 that's been out for a year, that has some big partnerships happening, for 10 cents. So you can see the prices here, they're already increasing. So tier 2 tiles in China, 50 cents already. Japan, 38 cents, up 276%, up 2,470%. So the tier 2 tiles, like I mentioned, are the tiles that didn't sell in Earth in the first year of Earth being out. So now they've reset everything that hasn't been sold, and they've made it to tier 2 tiles now. So this is something to really benefit about. If you want to read more into this, I'll leave a link in the description below. So I'm going to share with you how you can buy this. I also want to go over some virtual land that has sold recently for a lot. So we got the mega yacht sold for 650,000 in the Metaverse, becomes the most expensive NFT in Sandbox virtual world. Then you got another one here, another land plot sold over for 900,000 on Decentraland. There's so much potential in the Metaverse at this stage. As soon as like Facebook announces more updates, things like that, or more companies get involved, the bigger and more popular the Metaverse will get. So getting in early is pretty like the main thing you want to do. You want to get early into these Metaverses so that you can maybe get something that could become very expensive one day, or has potential. And I truly think Earth 2 has some potential once they get the partnerships and so forth. They have had a rocky move like in the past. It has been something that's been very questionable, probably why I haven't brought it up again. But I thought I'd bring it up because they're having some good updates happening and they've having some partnerships happen. I've watched some interviews into it. So Earth 2 has an announcement, the partnership with Polygon Studios. So I'm guessing they're going to be going on to the blockchain very soon on the Polygon network. That's as I'm aware. So that's going to be happening. So if you want to buy into something that is centralized, but this is centralized right now, but it will become decentralized on the blockchain very soon. So if you want to buy land on Earth 2, the first thing you need to do is sign up. On the top right, you just need to click sign up or log in. So if you have an account already, you just need to log in. I just want to cancel login because I want to sign up again, just show you how to do it. So click the sign up button here. And as you can see, you just need to click this sign up button down here. And then just put in your email and password. Just confirm it in your email address. And then you should be ready to log in to your account. So I will personally log into my account right now and then we'll get started. Alright, I've logged in my account now. As you can see, they mentioned that they have divided the tier 1 and tier 2. They mentioned the information that I just shared with you a little bit in less detail, but you can ignore that. So what will happen is, this is what your profile will look like. When you first log in, this is what your profile will look like. You won't have any land like I do, but as you can see here, you will have just a profile image and maybe just everything else will be empty if you're just starting out. But this is some of my land that I bought in the past, and I have done very well and had some withdrawals, and I can confirm I've had withdrawals on this, and I've made a profitable investment in this platform in the past, and I still believe in this project long term. So if you go to your profile here and go down to settings, this is where you'll actually be able to credit your account. So if you want to buy land on Earth 2, you need to credit your account first. Now, just to mention, if this becomes on the blockchain, this won't be necessary anymore. But right now it's on the blockchain. So what you want to do is add credit to your account. So it doesn't matter how much you put in there. You can put whatever credit amount you want. 50, I'm guessing 10 is a minimum amount. Then you should click on pay with credit card, and you'd have to wait for it to pop up. Now you just fill in this credit card information or your debit card, doesn't matter. You can do MasterCard or Visa. So you put in your card number, expiry date, and card holder name, and the security in the back, and your address, and then you click Pay Now. And then you'll be set to go. That's how easy it is to add credit to your account, and when you add credit, it'll be in this E73. But don't panic, E73 is still the same value as US dollars. So 1 Earth dollar equals 1 USD. Now as I'm aware, they've done that because of legal reasons. And if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw your money here. You have to have two-factor added, and you also have to verify your ID as well to be able to withdraw. So the next step is, once you have added Earth dollars to your, so the next step is, once you've added Earth dollars to your Earth 2 account, you first need to go to buy land here. You can also buy land directly off the marketplace, but that's totally up to you. As you can see, you just type in, you can search it, you can search the country as well if you wish, and everything like that. But if you want to buy land directly from the land, you can do this easily. Just click on buy land here. Right, so the next step is you want to click on buy land on the top left, and now you can look for tiles that are going to be tier 2, just to mention again, tier 2, and you can get them extremely cheap at the moment. So how you do this is just search up the country that you wish to buy from. Let's say I want to buy from Australia. You can also search in addresses, as you can see here, but I'm just going to type in Australia, and it should take you to Australia. You probably want to be on the satellite so it shows you a bit clearer. Now you can zoom out. As you can see, I'm in Australia right now, and let's just go to some random spot. Now personally, I would invest into places that are cities, maybe even beaches. I've noticed beaches are pretty popular. Cities, beaches, things like that. That's what I would recommend. Of course, if you can buy like famous places, then definitely would be worth investing in that as well. So how you would do to buy the land now, once you have decided which land you want to purchase, you just want to click on the tile and then just hover over the land that you want, how many tiles you want. So it tells you how many tiles here on the top right, and it tells you even the exact address where you're buying, and it tells you the price per tile, which is 40 cents, and the total will be $14. So if you want to click that and then that, and as you can see here, I've got 54 tiles, which is 22.30 Earth dollars. Now just to mention, there is cheaper land out there that you can purchase. Places that aren't as well known, definitely check out those. There could be way more potential in them. Now once you've decided what you want to purchase, now you just click details. I'll take you down to here. Now you can just click on buy now. It tells you the price, 54 tiles, and you click buy now, and you can pay with your account balance, or you can pay directly with credit card. You can also put in a referral code, a promotional referral code to save 5%. I have one that I will share with you. If you wish to use my referral code, I'll leave it in the description below, and all you do is put it in here. I just might put in, I'm not sure, I haven't got one at the moment, but so now once we decided what land we purchase, we just click with pay with account balance, and you just need to confirm it with a bot. I'm not a bot. Click yes, and then your payment is complete, and as you can see now, you own the land, and it's tier 2 as I mentioned, and this is in New South Wales, Australia. And you can also sell or edit your profile, sell or edit it. You can price it as much as you want. Price per you can do the price per tile, or you can do the total price. Tells you even how much profit you make as well. If you want to go visit your profile, you can see where it is in your profile here. If you click profile, you will see your land here. As you can see, this is the land that I just purchased, 54 tiles, tier 2. If you look at my other land here, it's tier 1, tier 1, tier 2, some I bought yesterday, and as you can see, that's some examples. Now if you want to upgrade it, there's going to be a feature soon where you can upgrade to tier 1. I'm not sure how that all works, but we'll see what happens. As I'm aware, you will have to pay the tier 1 prices. So the price of tier 1 land in this area, you will have to pay. But personally, I would just keep it in tier 2, because then you don't have to worry about it being tier 1, paying more. So if you do want to use my referral code and the link to the website, link will be in the description below. If you have any questions at all, let me know. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.